today we are going to make a paper boat like this. I'm going to show you how it swims at the end. So first we will flip the paper this way. I think it's like horizontally. Second, we are going to make triangles like that. Third, we're going to do a shortcut. Do these again, and then flip the page. I'm very quick, like flash. Okay, so guys, see those two lines? We're going to flip it there, flip it, and then another flip. So it should be like this right now, front, back. Then see the like two lines, pull your thumb and stretch it out. If you see any problems, pull your index finger and then press it out. Then we're going to flip it again. And then flip it again. And also guys, if you don't know the part that you don't know, skip all the way through it to see what we do. It's going to be all the way above already, but we're going to make a tiny one like this. So we'll flip it one more time again. And I'm going to show you that other boat when I'm 9 years old at 10th of August. Then we are going to do that, and then yeah, it'll be like this. It'll be like this. Another one like this. I just like it when it's like this. Maybe I can stretch it out. There. So we'll show you how these two boats float. Let's see which one can last longer. See, they both float. So you can move them if you want. We're not actually not going to do it. How to see how long it does. But if you press them a bit, yeah. Just move it. Battle fight! Bye guys.
If you
like and subscribe and ring the bell. Bye.